Calling all Mustangs, Giving Day is April 30th. Our 24-hour challenge to support our students is back and bigger than ever. Isn't that right, Teresa?
That's right, President Rogers, but this Giving Day, April 30th, for the first time ever, you can triple the power of your gift. How does that work, you might ask? Well, you make any gift on Giving Day, it's matched 1-to-1 by the Morrisville College Foundation. Exactly, but if you designate your gift for student support, it'll be matched first by the Morrisville College Foundation Board, but then again by Don Babcock, class of 1959, tripling the power of your generosity. Exactly. Wow, you two are fast learners.
Make your gift this April 30th toward a record-breaking $150,000 Giving Day. Support our students, spread the word, and don't miss the opportunity to multiply your gift by 3 this April 30th.
Nice shirt, by the way. Thank you.